Okay, we got another real quick video tutorial on how to make a Megaminx, and we're actually going to make a ProMinx in this video. I'm not going to show you guys how to make an actual dodecahedron platonic solid or anything like that. There's a lot of tutorials out there, and you can actually go ahead and download the solids if you'd like. Anyways, once you have your dodecahedron there, you're going to need a plane that cuts this directly in half. And I already have it. It's the right plane for me. You can also create a plane using our reference geometry plane and select this point, and a midpoint there. Anyways, I'm going to be drawing on this plane here, and I'm going to need a few axes to revolve around. And I'm just going to click the center face, origin, and we'll do one more. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and hide those just for easy on the eyes. Go back to my right plane. Okay, now you're going to start your sketch on your right plane here from the center, and we'll just go 90 millimeters out. And this is a huge cube, by the way. And we'll make that 80. Okay, now your cut needs to be parallel to your this edge of the cube here. So I'm just going to draw a line out here, and that'll allow it to be, oops, didn't want to do that, but that'll allow it to be parallel. And back to my right plane. There we go, I can get rid of all this here. So there you can see your basic sketch of a ProMinx, basically. Once you have your sketch drawn, you're going to use Insert, Surface, Revolve. And you're going to revolve around this axis here, which is axis 4 for me. And one direction, 360 degrees, okay. And that might actually be a little bit too deep. So I'm going to go and edit that just a little bit. Whoa, wrong one. We'll try that. Sorry, that's my phone. Okay, we're going to go back to our features bar, and we're going to do a circular pattern. And we're going to choose body. Then we're going to revolve that around this axis here 5 times, 360 degrees. And then we'll do that again around axis 5. And we're going to click bodies, and you can just select all of these. Okay. And now we're going to do insert, features, split, and you can select all of these or a few of them. It's up to you for what you want to cut. I'm just going to go ahead and select all of them there, and then you're going to click cut part. And if you can actually see the parts that you want on the face here, you can actually go ahead and click those and select them yourselves, or you can go through here and select all of these or whatever you'd like. And OK. And now I can just hide my surface revolves. And you can see, well, minus this back part here, that I have a Prominx. And you can isolate your parts. And wow, is that a thin stem right there. So you'd obviously have to go back and edit your sketch a little bit. And you can actually be a whole lot more precise, and there's a lot of cleanup left to do. But this is the basics of how to make a Megaminx. Well, my version anyways. Hope this is helpful, and that's basically where I started, is knowing how to do a 3x3 and then applying it to another platonic solid and branch out from there. Lots of practice does wonders. Hope it helped.